Today we continue with the additional 5 of the Fijian letters of the letters of the Fijian alphabet. So are you ready for it? So remember, listen, now watch, listen, imitate. Okay, so we're going to say the individual letters, and we want you to also follow along, and hope that you have done that with the previous 2 videos of the letters of the Fijian alphabet that we had put out. So are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. It's ma,
ma,
na,
na,
o,
o,
pa,
pa,
nga.
ga,
Ma,
ma,
na,
na,
o,
o,
pa,
pa,
nga.
ga,
Ma,
ma,
na,
na,
o,
o,
pa,
pa,
nga.
ga,
Okay, last one. Ma,
ma,
na,
na,
o,
o,
pa,
pa,
nga.
ga.
All right, now let's take it from the beginning to the ones that we've just done now. Okay, let's go. Are you ready? Are you ready? A,
A,
ba,
ba,
da,
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 e,
ba,
e,
e,
fa,
fa,
nga.
nga,
I,
i,
cha,
ja,
ka,
ka,
la,
la,
ma,
ma,
na,
na,
o,
o,
pa,
pa,
nga.
ga.
That's it. So we'll have to wait for the next one in the next video. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Make some comments in the comment section. In that way we will drive the algorithm to grow the channel. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Mode.
Pode.